Motor scooters, a unique blend of motorcycle and kick scooter features, have a distinct charm that sets them apart in the world of two-wheeled transportation. With a comfortable seat, a flat floorboard, and compact wheels, they offer a convenient and efficient way to navigate city streets and open roads alike. Scooter-like traits began to emerge in motorcycle designs as early as the 1900s in Europe. Surprisingly, America also had its share of scooter production during the period from 1936 to 1965. Here, we explore some of the remarkable scooters that were manufactured in the United States during this time. 1. Salsbury scooters, pioneering excellence. The first wave of American scooters kicked off with the establishment of Salsbury Manufacturing in 1936 in sunny California. This visionary venture was founded by two Englishmen, Salsbury and Austin Elmore. Their creation featured a seat integrated into the upper body frame, with the engine thoughtfully shielded by the body. Notably, they introduced the continuously variable transmission, CVT, drive system, a groundbreaking innovation of its time. In 1938, Salsbury Manufacturing began producing scooters, with the Salsbury Model 85 quickly becoming the benchmark for other scooter manufacturers, including Powell, Moto-Scoot, Cushman, Rock-Ola, even Piaggio and others. But unfortunately the scooter manufacturer stopped production in 1948. 2. Cushman Motor Works, the Auto Glide Triumph. Another prominent player in the American scooter scene was Cushman Motor Works, known for crafting the Auto Glide scooter. Initially, the company was primarily involved in designing and manufacturing various vehicle machinery. In their early days, Cushman attempted to offer their scooter engine to Salisbury Motor Glide, but faced rejection. Undeterred, Cushman embarked on developing and producing their scooter design. They proudly touted their Auto Glide products as more fuel-efficient than the Motor Glide, introducing cutting-edge technology of the era, a centrifugal clutch, akin to modern-day motorcycles, and far superior to the cut model found in the Motor Glide. Cushman's Auto Glide gained substantial traction when it entered the U.S. military market. They developed a military version of the scooter that could be airdropped from military cargo planes using parachutes. This remarkable model, labeled as the Cushman Airborne, proved to be a game-changer during World War II in Europe, showcasing exceptional agility and battlefield prowess. 3. Harley-Davidson's Topper, an elegant offering. Harley-Davidson, a legendary name in the motorcycle industry, also dabbled in the scooter market by introducing the Harley-Davidson Topper. Drawing inspiration from the DKW RT125 model, the Topper offered a unique take on the scooter concept. Under the hood, the Topper was equipped with a two-stroke engine with a 165 cubic centimeters capacity, generating a power output ranging from 5 horsepower to 9 horsepower. The scooter sported a recoil starter reminiscent of a lawnmower, and its power was transmitted through a variable ratio automatic transmission aptly named the Scootaway Drive. Notably, the engine relied on a fuel mixture of gasoline and oil, contributing to a relatively economical fuel consumption rate of 52.5 kilometers per liter. The front suspension featured a simple leading link fork, complemented by small drum brakes on both wheels. Under the seat's hinged lid lay a capacious storage compartment, and for those requiring more space, an optional luggage rack was made available. The Topper rode on 4.00 by 12 tires, ensuring a stable and smooth ride. However, it failed to gain significant traction in both American and European markets and was produced for a relatively brief period, from 1960 to 1965.
Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for exciting journeys. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and keep exploring the boundless horizons of automotive design.